Hi, my teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you? Is your presentation about renewable energy sources ready?
Our presentation is ready. We can start if you want.
Let's start then. Good luck to you.
Hi, friends. Today, we will make a presentation about renewable energy sources.
Hey, what is renewable energy?
Renewable energy sources are types of energy that have the potential to renew themselves naturally. These resources are called alternative energy or renewable energy for short. They are a fuel energy option that can replace traditional fossil fuels resources, non-renewable energy sources, increasing in use and popularity. Their benefits are many, so the future should be entrusted to them. Fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal and wood produce energy when processed with different processes. However, they are not unlimited in nature, and their extinction is inevitable after a certain time. However, various kinds of environmental pollution as a result of burning fossil fuels, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, etc. As a result, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides appear, which cause acid rain, the oceans become acidic, and the beneficial living things in the soil decrease. In order to eliminate these damages, it is necessary to prefer energy that is not depleted, but self-renewing and environmentally friendly.
Be renewable energy sources. 1. Solar energy.
The most popular types of renewable energy is solar energy. Solar energy provides our entire planet with the energy it needs to survive. By using solar panels, we can obtain energy from direct sunlight and convert it into electricity. Solar energy can also be used to generate hot water or charge battery systems. The cost of solar energy is constantly falling, and it has become cheaper to install a solar energy system. In addition, solar energy does not pollute the environment like fossil fuels. It contributes positively to the global warming problem due to the fact that harmful gases, especially carbon dioxide, are not released.
2. Wind power.
When you feel the wind, you feel the air moving from place to place due to the varying degrees of warming of the Earth's surface. With this movement, the wind can turn giant turbines and produce electrical energy. Wind energy is becoming more and more common in many individual power generation applications. Large wind farms can be seen spread over kilometers in many places around the world. Like solar power, wind power is pollution-free and is a growing and important source of renewable energy that supplies electricity to grids around the world.
3. Hydroelectricity energy.
Hydroelectricity is also a non-polluting energy source, as there is no emission in the electrical energy produced in hydroelectric facilities. However, hydropower has a greater environmental impact than any other renewable energy source. Because they can change the water levels, current needs and migration routes required for the life of fish and other freshwater creatures. For this reason, maximum attention should be paid to being sensitive to the environment while constructing such electricity generation facilities.
4. Geothermal energy.
The world has a structure in which there is a great energy source. When our planet formed, there was a large amount of geothermal energy that was created along with the heat built up in the rocks deep in the crust. Sometimes this heat rises to the surface as volcanic eruptions. Steam is obtained from heated water to turn the turbine, and we can capture geothermal energy. In a geothermal power generation system, water is pumped underground. When heated, it resurfaces in the form of steam and turns a turbine to generate electricity. At the same time, geothermal heat can be used directly to provide heating or cooling to buildings. In addition to these, it is used in greenhouse activities in agriculture and for heating greenhouses. Although still a small part of our energy needs, geothermal energy has great potential. It is a promising renewable energy source. In Iceland, for example, geothermal energy already accounts for 90% of domestic heating needs and 25% of electricity needs.
5. Biomass energy.
Another form of renewable energy is biomass. Biomass energy refers to energy produced from living organic matter such as plants or animals. Biomass is a renewable resource because plants can regenerate relatively quickly and grow with renewable energy from the sun. Fuels such as ethanol, Biodiesel and biogas can also be produced from biomass. Biomass fuels are also considered to be carbon neutral as they do not release extra carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
6. Wave energy.
Waves are caused by winds blowing from the sea surface. Wind energy is transferred to the waves, and therefore the stronger the wind, the more energy there is in the waves. So wave energy is the energy contained in waves. Wave energy is proportional to the square of the wave height, and wave height is inversely proportional to the depth of the water, so it automatically means that waves near the shore carry the most energy. The oceans cover about 70% of the Earth's surface and are considered one of the largest sources of renewable energy.
7. Hydrogen energy.
Hydrogen is the most abundant and simplest element in the universe, consists of a proton and an electron. However, it does not occur naturally on Earth as a gas. Instead, it is found in organic compounds, natural gas, biogas, propane, gasoline, and water. Hydrogen is high in energy but produces little or no pollution when burned. Liquid hydrogen has been used to launch the Space Shuttle and other rockets into orbit. While hydrogen fuel cells convert the potential chemical energy of hydrogen into electricity, only pure water and heat are released as byproducts.
The advantages and disadvantages of renewable energy may vary by region.
1. Renewable energy resources advantages. Renewable energy sources are inexhaustible.
Renewable energy technologies use resources directly from the environment to generate power/electricity. These energy sources are advantageous as they include sunlight, wind, tides, hydrogen, water and biomass, and are not expected to run out like fossil fuel sources. For these reasons, their use is advantageous.
B. Maintenance requirements are lower.
In most cases, renewable energy technologies require less general maintenance than generators. This is because solar technology and the operation of wind turbines do not rely on flammable fuel sources. Less maintenance required saves more time and money.
C. Renewables save energy resources.
Using renewable energy can help you save money in the long run. You save not only maintenance costs, but also operating costs. When using technology that generates power from the sun, wind, steam or natural processes, you do not have to pay for refueling. The amount of money you'll save using renewable energy can vary depending on many factors, including the technology itself.
D. It reduces your carbon footprint.
Renewable energy generation sources emit little or no greenhouse gases or pollutants into the air. This means a smaller carbon footprint and an overall positive impact on the natural environment. During the combustion process, fossil fuels release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which has proven to increase the rise of global temperatures and the frequency of extreme weather events. The use of fossil fuels not only emits greenhouse gases, but also other harmful pollutants that cause respiratory and heart health problems.
2. Disadvantages of renewable energy sources. Higher investment cost.
Although the installation costs of renewable energy technologies have decreased, we can say that they are still at high levels. To combat this, incentives can often be used to help reduce your renewable technology costs.
B. Intermittent service.
Although renewable energies are available worldwide, most of these resources are not available 24/7 throughout the year. Some days are cloudier than others, the sun does not shine at night, and droughts can occur from time to time. What will disrupt these technologies may be changing weather events and climate. Fossil fuels are not discrete and can be accessed and used at any time.
C. Storage capabilities matter.
Due to the intermittent nature of some renewable energy sources, there is a great need for energy storage. With storage technologies available today, they can be expensive, especially for large-scale renewable power plants. It is worth noting that as technology advances, energy storage capacity increases and batteries become more affordable as time goes on. Such negativities will be less felt in the future.
D. There are geographic restrictions.
There are various climates, topographies, vegetation and many other geographies in Turkey. This is a good thing, but also not so good for renewable technologies. For example, a large farm with open space might be a great place for a wind turbine or solar power system, while a townhouse located in a city shaded by tall buildings cannot reap the benefits of either technology. Our presentation ends here. Thank you for listening to us. For a better world, renewable energy.